What's up, pizza people? Jester from Patio Pizza doing another real-time pizza cooking video. And today we're testing out the Bertello pizza oven. I've cooked, I don't know, 15, 20 pizzas on this, but the video you're watching is actually the very first pizza I cooked on this pizza oven. I've got a full review video coming out real soon. I just wanted to show you in real time what cooking a traditional margarita pizza would look like on this oven. Unfortunately, the opening of the oven's pretty small. It's very narrow. Probably really good for heat retention. However, it makes it pretty hard to actually see what's happening inside the oven. So as you watch the video, you'll see me turning the pizza. You just saw me launching it in there. You're going to see the full cook time of the pizza and what it turned out at the end of the cook. Spoiler, it took about 2 minutes in total for me to cook this pizza. The stone was about 750 degrees in the center of the oven when I put the pizza in there. You see I'm doing a spin right there. You can already see there's a good bit of leoparding on the crust. It's looking pretty nice already. 750 is kind of the sweet spot for me. I know some people like to go 900 and cook in like 60 to 90 seconds. I think you get a little too much flop. You don't get enough crisp when you cook that way. And that just, for classic Neapolitan, that's great. I kind of do a New York style pizza is my preferred pizza style. So higher than a New York temperature, lower than a Neapolitan temperature. It's kind of the sweet spot for me. Everyone's probably a little different. I don't know. You do you, I'll do me. As you can see, I'm watching the video right now with you on the screen below me here. We're there pretty much. I'm gonna just stick it back in, get the bottom just a hair darker, and that will be a done pizza. Let's just wait. Let's see what I'm going to do here. Oh, I got my phone out, took a little picture. And that's it. That's done. Bottom could have been a little darker, but it's definitely fully cooked. Okay, I put it back in the oven. I guess I forgot I did that, but I think there was one little tiny patch on the back that I just wanted to get a little darker. There we go. That's the end result there. So as you can see, the bottom definitely was cooked. Crust looks nice and crisp. Couple little dark patches here and there, but overall, pretty happy with the results of this oven. I got a full review again coming out probably in a day or two after this one releases. So take a look for that if you're interested in learning more about this oven. So far, I'm pretty impressed with it though. All right, that's it for this quick little down and dirty pizza video. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Love you lots.